everyone. Today I'm going to talk about uric acid. Uric acid is a waste product in human body. When it is in normal limits, it gets excreted. Your kidney, filters it out, and it gets excreted via, urine or stool. However, if the level goes beyond 7 milligram per deciliter in the blood, is when there is an issue, and you're diagnosed with high uric acid levels. Now, what happens? So, you could form. It could be a lot of pain. It could be, in the form of these crystals being formed in your small joints, in your toes, in your fingers, sometimes in your knees. It's generally in the big toe. Happens often in during night time, and like I said, it can cause a lot of pain. And the moment we hear that somebody has a high uric acid level, the first thing people say is, reduce protein, avoid protein completely. However, that's not the case. Yeah, protein is not something that causes uric acid level increase, but purine is what causes high uric acid level. Now, what is purine? Purine is a chemical compound which is found in some food items, and that's what we should be avoiding. So today I'm going to talk about the foods that are high in purine, and we should be avoiding foods that are low in purine, and we should be adding in our diet if we have high uric acid level, and also some of the remedies that can really help you to control your uric acid level. So first and foremost, no to alcohol, because alcohol inhibits the elimination of uric acid from your blood. So complete no to alcohol if you have high uric acid level. There are certain vegetables which are high in purines, like peas, mushroom, cauliflower, spinach. So that's something that you should be avoiding if you have high uric acid level. Red meat, processed food, confectionery items are some other things that you should be avoiding to control your uric acid level. Also, you should be totally making sure that your body is not acidic, because when you have acidic body, the uric acid level tends to go high. So make sure that the body environment is alkaline by adding the right kind of food, which we're going to talk about in a while. The other thing is, while it can be because of the wrong dietary things, there can also be certain medical conditions that can cause high uric acid levels. So for example, if you have a kidney disease, if you that could cause high uric acid level. If you're going through chemotherapy, that could cause high uric acid level. So if there is a medical condition attached, make sure that you're taking the prescribed medication. Now coming to the foods that you should be adding to your diet when you have high uric acid levels. So green leafy vegetable except spinach. You should also be having vitamin C rich foods, because one, that's anti-inflammatory and works on bringing down your uric acid level. So amla, lemon, cherries, strawberries and bananas, these are good sources of food which have very low purine. Eggs are another source, and low fat dairy. So these are things that you should be adding in your diet, especially cherries. Cherries have known to reduce the uric acid level. Also, you could consider a vitamin C supplements that works well to reduce your uric acid level. Yeah. Now I am going to now talk about a few remedies that have helped millions of people to reduce uric acid levels. So first on the list is apple cider vinegar. 5 ml of apple cider vinegar in about half cup of warm water 30 minutes before your meals helps to reduce your uric acid level. The other thing is noni juice. It's available in the form of capsules as well these days, but juice seems to be working better, gives better results. So if you take 10 ml of noni juice in 1 cup of warm water first thing in the morning, empty stomach, works very well with uric acid. The other thing that gives very good result is green tea boiled with raw papaya. So 1 cup water, 1 teaspoon of green tea and a few pieces of raw papaya. Boil it together, strain that water and have it to reduce your uric acid levels. Barley water is a good thing if you have high uric acid levels, because not only does it work on uric acid levels, also it flushes out all kind of toxins. So 1 liter of water with 50 grams of barley seeds, boil that water, reduce it to half, divide it in 3 portions and sip it through the day. Doing high fiber diet goes a long way if you have high uric acid. So include a lot of fruits and vegetables which are low in purines. 3 vegetables that you should be really adding on daily basis if you have high uric acid is carrot, beetroot and cucumber. So make sure that you eat it in the form of salad, or you could juice it up, or you could make a vegetable out of beetroot, but make sure that you're adding these vegetables. Also make sure that there is some kind of exercise on daily basis, because that kind of helps you to flush out your toxins. And while we are talking about toxins, make sure that your water intake is nothing less than 3.5 to 4 liters of water, and that itself solves half of the problem if you're dealing with high uric acid levels. Make sure that you implement these suggestions and bring down your uric acid level within the permissible limits. If you have any more questions, please reach out to me through the comment section. Join my Facebook community to get more and more updates. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. We'll talk again. Bye-bye.